My role in this project primarily is to use my art as a way, therapeutic way in a sense, to allow young individuals, young adults to be able to capture what they see in their head and be able to use that as a voice. It's like looking into a mirror, right? And you able to reflect up on yourself and see yourself for who you are. And I think that that's something positive in healing. And I think that that's where we're at right now in this program specifically, is that this program is healing the community. It's bringing two parts together to create the unison understanding of what we need, and so everybody can be up on the same accord. And art is in the middle of that.
And a lot of times just explaining those perceptions to each other, you realize the reality of it, and that can solve a lot of problems.
Seeing the humanity in each other is so important. Having those conversations with each other before something happens. We've had riots nationwide, we've had uprisings, and we started this program back in 2016 before even the Keith Lamont Scott uprising. And so we were already in position. I wanted to have some kind of positive interaction between police officers and young people before a blow up, and we succeeded in that, and we've been doing the program ever since. It's not easy to talk about these issues, but having a connection, building a bridge, is going to work better than not having any connections at all. I think that for too many officers and community members, especially young people, the interactions are always negative.
Art is a means to develop a dialogue, a conversation. And that's what this really is. It's promoting peace workshop, and you're promoting peace through conversation and understanding. And it doesn't necessarily have to be art. It could be anything that promotes calm, respectful conversation and communication. But art is key because art allows people to express what they may not verbally express.